Hey you guys, we are at another property. This property is over 1,600 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and they actually are offering $12,000 towards your closing costs. So I really think that you guys will love this home. If you love it, make sure you guys call me 407-374-2747. But let's look around and see what they have to offer. Now they have this one set up as an office right now, but this is actually considered one of the bedrooms. So you can make it into an office and then just have 2 other bedrooms, or you can turn this one into, a full-on bedroom if that's what you would like. And here is the closet here. I want you guys to be able to see the closet space. Now, they have another community where they're actually offering $15,000 in closing cost credits, and then they're buying down a rate to 4.75% for FHA, and conventional, they're buying it down to 4.9%. So definitely call me if you guys are concerned about having higher interest rates, because you guys can get the closing cost credits, plus you guys can get your interest rate brought down. So this is their other bedroom. So you can kind of say it's identical to the one that's over there. But I like to have a twin bed in here, maybe full bed in here. So you can fit some things. And then here is the bathroom. Let's turn the light on so we can see. Yes, here is the bathroom, you guys. So you got a bedroom over there, a bedroom over here, plus you have your bathroom here. And then here is your front door. There's me. And then you'll have your garage here. So this will be your garage here. And then if you come in more, then you'll see to the left, you have your laundry room. Now, appliances, they are included with the home. So you guys will get the washer and dryer, fridge, stove, microwave, dishwasher. So all of that will be included with this home. Okay, perfect. Here we go right here, you guys. So here is a fridge, microwave, stove, and then on the other side is most likely going to be your dishwasher. Let's see if we can look in this closet. Okay, good. We weren't able to look in the last closet, so you can get a good feel on what the closets are looking like. So this is a kitchen. That is the dining room area. This is your living room area, and then that's your lanai area outside. We'll look at that in a little bit. Here's a dishwasher. Now they have these homes in different communities too, you guys. So right now I'm technically in Haines City, but they have this home in different communities. So say if you like this home, you can get this same home in another community that they have. Perfect. Then here is that lanai area I was telling you all about, with a nice size yard too. See more of your yard in this way. Okay, let's go look at that master bedroom. Let's go look and see what they have. So your master bedroom is actually back this way. So let's go ahead and check it out. So before you get in your bedroom, you actually have more closet space here. So this is good for storage. So you have more closet space here. You can store whatever you want to store in there. And then here is the master bedroom. And then here is your bathroom. So you and hubby, y'all don't have to fight over the sinks. Here's a shower area. Here is your closet. There's a closet. Here is your toilet. And then you have more space here. So you can store all of your bathroom things here. And then I love that you have 3 separate drawers right here in the middle, so a lot more storage space for you guys. If you guys have a lot of things that you like to store, like me, you have a lot of space there. And then under the sink, you have storage space too. So I really like that. So again, here is the master bedroom. And don't forget, they're offering the 4.75%. That's at the time of me recording this video. They probably have different things, but definitely call me and I can tell you what they're offering at the time, because they're most likely going to be switching it up. Right now, that is really good. It's knowing that you guys will have the lower interest rate. And also, I really, really love that they were giving out that $12,000. Now, if you guys were to go deeper into Haines City, they actually have another community where they're offering $15,000 in closing cost credits. So definitely call me, because I know all of the builders and how much they're actually offering in closing cost credits, and also what interest rates they're offering. I really, really love this. I love these bar stools. And give you some ideas too for the people that's designing their home right now and, you know, changing their decor up. This give you a lot of inspiration, you know, looking at these different homes. And I'm not sure if you guys took my number down, but definitely call or text me. My phone number is 407-374-2747. So you guys can call or text me if you guys have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you. So a lot of cabinet space here. Okay, this is perfect. A lot of drawer space. A lot more cabinet space. They're really using this one here, you guys. But you guys can see what it looks like. I think we went through here already. You see that? Your laundry area again. So yeah, you guys, call or text me if you guys have any questions. I'll be happy to tell you more about this community, or even come and meet you over here so we can look at it together. So definitely call or text me. And if you decide that you want more bedrooms, that this one is 3 bedrooms, check out some of my other videos, because I have a lot of them out there. Check out some of the other ones to see if you like the floor plans for them and see how many bedrooms and bathrooms they have, because it is a lot that you guys can choose from. And I really look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.